Get noticed in this 2013 Toyota Tacoma. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Get more for your money with this vehicle that features low mileage and dependability. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.